This feedback for Arwa and WR1 portfolio, WR1 revision. Please get rid of the first 3 zeros here. These should be capital. Every big word of the title should be capital. And generally in your essay, you have a lot of word problems. Like this is supposed to be one word. You're missing a verb here. This little arrow thing means a word is missing here. So you need to put a word here. Also here and here. WW means wrong word, meaning this is not the word you want to say. For example, this one, you said bed drivers, but you want to say bad drivers. PL means for plural. You're supposed to have the plural of these words. So a lot of word mistakes in your essay. You should have said or here. And also, like we did in class, in your body paragraphs, you really do need to include some transitions and more clear examples and just clear up the organization, because a lot of this is unclear. That's what I wrote here. So a lot of wrong word mistakes. These things bring your essay down. Even though your essay is pretty good, but it would be better if you organize it like we did in class and fix these wrong words. This word's not supposed to be here. Again, I don't know what you're trying to say here. This whole sentence is something that would like go in the intro. It's not really a point. This is something that shouldn't be in your body paragraph. Looking at the second body paragraph, again, stuff is unclear. How do bad drivers lead to traffic? Again, your examples have to be clear, just like in class. Show the cause and the effect in your examples, even if you're talking about the effects of your paper. When you bring up a new point, after that point, you need to bring up how that point makes the effect that you're talking about. Again, transitions, unclear, unrelated stuff. This sentence right here shouldn't be here. I thought this was a good point that you made here, but then unclear, wrong word, wrong verb. Give me a concluding sentence at the end of each paragraph. When you make a suggestion here in the conclusion, tell us why and how. How would that be helpful? And some of the things that you say already doing. In here you say government must have a solution, but what is the solution? So make those changes, upload it into port WR1 and week 7.